Okay, so we are at my aunt's house, and here is a 2002 to 3 Hampton Bay Huntington 3 ceiling fan. Now this is in the white finish. Now, I really like these fans, and I think that they are very underrated. Like, they work well, they are nice looking, like the blade irons, but they get hated on for like no reason except for the blades sagging. That's pretty much the only thing wrong with them. So yeah, I don't get it. So yeah, it works well. This is in my cousin's bedroom. Um, it's a nice looking fan for sure. Going to turn it on. Here is low. And this is 52 inches. Move some air on this speed. PPM speed. And it pushes a lot of air in medium actually. It spins relatively fast also. So yeah, these aren't the greatest fans ever, but they are good for sure. I feel like they're just underrated. And then high. Wobbles just a little bit. Pushes a good amount of air. And then off. So yeah, there it is. Let me turn the light off. That's what it looks like without the light. I like the Hampton Bay pole chains a lot also. So yeah, anyway, thank you for watching. Ian's over now.